The secret to the success of the Yoga Burn program lies in what's referred to as dynamic sequencing. Dynamic sequencing is the way in which the Yoga Burn program teaches you how to properly perform each movement and then continues to adapt and increase the challenge at the precise moment your body starts to get used to the routine. This forces your body to change and adapt, which in turn helps to build a shapely, feminine body that not only looks better, but feels better too. The unique 3-phase program guides you through a series of different videos that are laid out in a way that will keep your body and mind guessing to ensure you do not get bored, or hit a plateau. Each video is 45 minutes long and can be done anytime, anywhere. You are encouraged to complete 3 45-minute videos a week, with the option to complete a bonus video lesson which is provided. It's highly recommended to fit the bonus video in if you can find the time, as the bonus video is focused on increasing your emotional well-being, self-confidence, and overall happiness. I'm sure you'll agree that confidence and happiness are two of the most attractive attributes a woman can possess. Learn more about Yoga Burn's 3-phase program via click below the video.